Hi and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you for selecting this video. Inside today we're going to be looking at the CVS ad, but I already put it together and we have some 12 deals. These are the top 12 deals. There's so many great items happening. I really like to find the best deals, and I really like to help anybody that I can for you to actually pay less out of pocket. I don't know what your goals are. My goals are to be out of debt, and we are so it happened this year. We finally were able to reach that, and couponing really helped me with that, and I really like to help others find that. So if you could pay way less out of pocket and I could show you how to do it and I could guide you through it and also make it so much easier, is why I do these videos. So I hope that you really enjoy it. There's many free deals, and you will see that I also like to make it easier, and I'm including something new, guys. Here is a printable option. This is the one that I've been sharing with you guys for a long time now, but I'm also including a different printable option. This is something that I wanted to do where you are actually able to visualize the deal as I'm going to show you on this video, but you could put notes in it. You could change it depending on the CRT you may have or the coupon you may have, and you still get to see the ad. So once you're in the store, you're looking for it, you still get to see it. So you guys will be able to print this option or the options with the notes. Remember, the link is going to be provided below. In addition, I really love to take advantage while I'm in a store. And these are some apps that I'm loving, that I'm using. Ibotta, you're going to see that there's offers on this deal for this week that you will need the app for you to get cash back. Shopkick is one that I love, because no matter where I walk in, see, here's an idea. No matter where you walk in, you get some kicks, you get some points. Just for scanning products in the store, you get points. Flus is another one that is new that I was just introduced not so long ago. But anytime I order out, I just order Panera bread, for an example, and you get cash back. So it is a good one. And even for CVS now, they have an option that you could buy a gift card and you get cash back. So this one is one that I'm liking. pggoodeveryday.com. This is where you will be able to print those coupons for Tide or the P&G products. But the one I'm loving now is that I'm being submitting my receipt for any products that I buy from P&G, and I've been getting points, and I already received a free gift card from P&G. You could go ahead and pick which one you would like. So that was free $5 gift card. I've also received many free gift cards from Shopkick. And if you guys want to see what the newest coupons, I just saw this morning that there's new coupons. You could guys go ahead and go to my website, excitedforcoupons.com. And on this section here that says newest coupons, you will be able to see and guide through so you don't miss out, and go ahead and print it before they're no longer available. And sometimes during the week, you will see the new ones are being added. And Fetch Rewards is another one that I'm going to mention on this video, that you just for scan your receipt, you're going to earn points and you could just redeem it for a gift card. So now that you know that, now you could stack your savings with all these cash back apps. Let's go ahead and get started with the best deals. These deals start for CVS Sunday, June 28th to July 4th. I can't believe we're already almost passing halfway of the year. And guys, I'm going to tell you to be safe, because I thought we were going to be getting everything was going to be going back to normal or the new normal, but just stay safe if you guys are heading out. So this is the first deal. This is You by Kotex. Buy one, get one 50% off, spend 15, get 5. This is how the extra bucks is going to look like at the end of your receipt. So go ahead and buy 2, and I actually included the prices. You have an idea which product you should grab, because there's so many options. But remember, the prices will vary by store. If these are the prices, you could buy the one that's $4.79. The other one's going to be $2.40. Buy the $5.29, then the other one's going to be $2.65. Right there, your new total is $15.13. So which coupons you're going to use so you don't pay $15 out of pocket? You're going to be using some coupons. This may be regional from the Smart Stores, June 28th. So if you do receive them, go ahead and use those coupons, deducting 3 off 2. Use 2 of those. And if you have the CRT that you see here, for any tampons, you may have 2 for deducting 2. Might be even a better deal for you. The one I received was $1 off 6. So pay $8.13. At the end of the receipt, you're going to be getting some $5 extra bucks, making it $3.13 or just 78 cents each. But this is something else I like to include in my videos. I like to give you another option in case you don't have that CRT. This way you will know if this is a good deal for you or not. So without that CRT, then it will be $1.03 each, which is still a pretty good deal. So how much you might be paying out of pocket? Out of pocket, you might be paying $10 or less. But like I show you on my recent video, I really like to do different transactions. So then I'm able to pay using my extra bucks from previous trips. The next deal is Colgate, and I'm excited for this deal. You could just go ahead and mix and match. In this case, we're going to be buying 2 up to $3.99. In this case, are the toothbrush, and then you're going to be buying the Colgate mouthwash. This one you do need to buy 2 to get 5, and for the mouthwash, you're not going to be getting extra bucks, but you're going to be getting an instant coupon. That means everybody's going to be getting this instant coupon, and go ahead and use those coupons that are expected on this Sunday's paper. So you're going to be using 3 coupons of 50 cents, and that's going to be in the Smart Source, the book we're going to be getting this Sunday. And go ahead and use this CRT if you have it. As you see, mine specified for Colgate toothpaste, toothbrush, and mouthwash. You may have one that is just general, so go ahead and use if you have a CRT. And remember to use that instant coupon of $2.50. Now you're going to be paying $4.97. Once you get those 5 ECB or extra bucks, it will be totally free. But if you don't have the CRT deducting 3 off 12, then your final price will be 99 cents each. And remember, this is for the mouthwash and for toothbrush. How much you're going to be paying out of pocket before tax is going to be just $5 or less. The next deal is Chic Disposable. I have been loving this deal. I am surprised how many times I've been able to get these items for free and moneymaker, and I'm glad that it's happening again this week. In case you have been missing out on those, check your app, check your CVS app, check your account to see which CRTs you may have. So the deal is they're going to be on special price 2 for $12. If you buy the other one, hopefully $6. Normally they like to put if you buy one, the regular price will be, let's say, $6.99, but I don't see it, so that's why I'm putting 6. So keep an eye out on that. If it's gonna be, even if you buy one, if it's gonna be $6. So if it is, guys, then buy 3 for $18. Use a digital coupon that is letting you know that's going to be in the app, deducting $7 off too. And then use another digital for Skin Timid for $3 that it should be in your account. Go ahead and send it to card so it will deduct once you go to the register. These are the CRTs that I have, 3 off 12 for Chic Razor and 4 off 2 for Skin Timid. So then I will be paying just $1 out of pocket. But once you get back those 5 extra bucks, it will be free and $4 moneymaker. So hopefully that is the price. Since I don't see what it will be if you just buy one. If you don't have those CRTs, then it would be just $1 each. And CRT, these are the ones that you will see in your app, in your CVS app, or are the ones that are printing in the red box machine. So how much you're going to be paying out of pocket? Just $1 before tax. Listerine, another great deal, buy 2 for $4. In this case, it does say selected Listerine or Reach Oral Care. So if these both products are included, here's a great deal. Buy the mouthwash for $6.79 and the Ready Tabs, if it's included, for $3.99. Right there you reach $10.78. You're going to be using coupons from Retail Me Not June 7th. And remember, these have a limit of 1. So that's why you could just have 1 of each. 1 for the mouthwash, 1 for the Ready Tabs. And there is a coupon, as you see here, in the CVS app that says app only. So if you're going to do this deal, then go ahead and clip it, send to cart. And if you have this CRT deducting $1.25, go ahead and use it too. Go ahead and stack all those coupons. Look how many great coupons we have here for this deal. That way we pay less out of pockets. We will pay $6.53. Get back 4, and your final price will be $2.53 or $1.27. So this one is a great deal. I'm excited because it does say spend 20, get 5. So remember, this is just a deal idea. You can just go ahead and mix and match. But these are the ones that are included. So you do need to spend 20 to get 5. So go ahead and buy 2 Tide Pods. for $4.94, and buy 2 of the Free and Gentle, the 46 ounce, for $5.94. Your total is $21.76. Use digital coupons. I am not mentioning P&G because a lot of regions are not receiving that P&G coupon, so I am just including the easiest way you could get those coupons for Thai. So go ahead and select those that usually are in the app. They're going to be digital, and then go ahead and go to pnggoodeveryday.com and print the other 2, but keep in mind that they usually expire a lot earlier, so only print it the day of or the day before you're going to go couponing. And then use the CRT if you have it, deducting 3 off 15. And an app, there's an app coupon for Tide Pods. You will pay $9.76. You're gonna get back those 5 ECB, making it $1.19 each, which is a pretty good deal. If you don't have that CRT, deducting 3 off 15, then it will be $1.94 each, which is still a pretty good deal. Another deal for in case you want to do Gillette and Chic, here's another great deal for Gillette men's razors. There's 2 deals going on for Gillette. As you see, selected Gillette men's razors and selected Gillette disposable razors. They're going to be at different prices. So hopefully once you go to your store, you get to see the tags so you know which one is included. They're going to be on special price. And for buying this one, you're going to get back $4 extra. And for this one, you're going to get back $3 extra. So what you're going to do is buy 1 of each. Use coupons that we received in the P&G last month and one that is coming this month. But keep in mind that because it's coming this Sunday on the Retail Me Not, I am not sure what the fine print is. So go ahead and make sure that whatever it is included is the product that you do buy and that is on special. And then use a CRT that says 3 off 12 for Chic. I selected the wrong one, guys. I have another one that says 3 off 12 for razor. This one says Chic. This one won't apply, but look for the one that says razor, any razor that says 3 off 12, and pay $4.99. You're gonna get back 4 ECB, plus you're gonna be getting back 3 extra bucks. Remember, there's 2 separate deals, making it free and $2.01 money maker. Such a great deal for Gillette, especially I feel like it's an easy one to do, but this one is depending on which coupon we do get, and it does apply to it. If you don't have that CRT, then it will just be 50 cents each. And remember, this is part of P&G deal, so you could go ahead and also submit your receipt for these products. Next, Maybelline. I'm excited for this deal because, as you know, this week we were all getting a mystery CRT that printed for everybody, and it was valued for $4. So what you could go ahead and do is use that CRT if you haven't used it yet. Buy 2 of the single eyeshadow, so your total will be $8.58. Remember, you need to buy 2 products to get 5 extra bucks, and the limit is up to 3. Use that CRT, pay $4.58, get back 5, making it free and 42-cent money maker. The other deal that we're going to talk about is Neutrogena, buy 2 get 6. And as you know, there is a printable coupon, but in case it's no longer available, go ahead and look for it in your app. These are the 2 that I still have there, and this is an option, an amount or a cashback offer from Ibotta. It will be to buy a blush for $13.99. Go ahead and check out the price in your store. And some wipes. You need to make sure that these wipes qualify for the makeup section. You have 21.28. You're going to be using those coupons if you have the 4, if it's printable, if you still have it, or in the app, or the $3. Use that CRT that printed for everybody last week, deducting $4, which is a $4 CRT, and then pay $10.28. You're going to be receiving 6 extra bucks, but you could also submit your receipt to Ibotta for the Neutrogena Healthy Skin, which the Healthy Skin blush qualifies for, so you're going to be getting back $3, making this a final price of $1.28 or 64 cents each. Guys, I'm excited for this deal. I wish I could do this every time I see this when my kids were small. So this is Huggies. There's 2 different deals. There's going to be Pampers, as you see in the ad. Pampers is also on special, and Huggies are going to be on special. They're both on the same price. They're both going to be offering 5 ECB, but to be honest, this was the best deal. But it's up to you which one you guys want to get if you need to buy some Pampers. or diapers. So in this case, it's going to be selected Huggies Jumbo Pack, diapers or pull-ups, Good Night, or Little Swimmers. So the pull-ups, as you see, they're all going to be 2 for $20. Great deal already there. There is a coupon that you're going to be seeing the Smart Source June 14, but if not, you could go ahead and go to the website and you'll be able to also sign up and print a $2 coupon if you didn't receive it in the Smart Source. If you have a CRT that says 3 off 15 for baby care, go ahead and use them. And there's also an app only for Huggies diapers. You're going to be paying $12, but the good thing is that there is cashback offer for not just Ibotta, but also for Fetch Rewards. But remember, Fetch Rewards, I noticed that is selected. Sometimes you guys mentioned that there is a cashback offer for Fetch Rewards, and then when I check my app, I don't have it. So remember, some offers may be by selected accounts. So in Ibotta, you're going to be getting back $1 for each. So you're going to be getting back 2 cashback from Ibotta. And then from Fetch Rewards, you're going to be getting back 3,000 points if you do have this offer in your app. And your final price will be $2 after getting those $5 extra bucks. So guys, just $1 for each pack. When original, it will be 2 for $20. It's such a great deal. If you don't have that CRT, then it will be just $2.50 each. We're going to talk about Suave. Suave, there's no extra bucks as you see. It's just going to be on special 2 for $6. So buy 2 for $6. There is coupon that I clipped a long time ago. It's still there. It doesn't expire yet, but we're also going to be getting coupons in case on this Sunday's paper and the Smart Source. So you could use either or, depending if you have them both. And look for a CRT. We've been getting the CRT that says 2 off 2 for Suave. Just make sure that it does qualify for the hair care, because some of them do say dry shampoo, and I'm not sure if the dry shampoo is going to be included in the deal. So just go ahead and see what does your CRT say, and pay $2. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're going to be getting back $1 for each. But remember, there's just a few days left. This offer is going to go soon, so hopefully it's available on Sunday. If it is, go ahead and submit your receipt so you can get back $2 in cash back, making then these items free. And remember, there's no ECB for this deal. If you don't have that CRT, then this deal will just be $1 each. The next thing I want to mention, and I think this is the last deal, is Irish Spring and Body Wash. The only reason why I'm including it is because in case we do get a CRT, then it will be a great deal to do. Buy 2 for $8. And go ahead and go to the website. If you're able to print the 75 cents coupon, it would look like that. Just go ahead and click it in the irishspring.com website. There is an offer as app only for $1 off 2. Pay $5.50. Get back 3 extra bucks for buying 2, making it $2.50, which is not the best deal, but if you need it, there's a lot of savings there. But hopefully we do get some CRTs during the week that says 2 off 6, then it will be such an awesome deal. So that's why I wanted to include it in case you guys get some CRTs. I didn't get any, and that's why I did not include it on this deal. If you guys have it, then go ahead and do this deal, because it will be a really good deal combining it with that CRT. So guys, thank you for watching this video. All the printable coupons, shopping lists, those 2 shopping lists now that I'm offering cashback offers. If you guys want to join to any of them, you were able to see my referral codes as well. You want to print some new coupons, all that's going to take you to my website. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.